Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaica's first international sitcom, Bigger Boss, aims to export local comedy. The Made in Jamaica, Ready for the World sitcom, shot locally in its entirety at Sandals Resort in St. Anne, puts local comedy on the map with colorful performances from Ian I.T. Ellis, Alton Fancy Cat Hardware, local theatre star Camille Davis, young actress and singer Zosha McGregor, and a social media personality Roshane Rush Campbell. Speaking at the media premiere last night, actress Camille Davis noted that the Bigger Boss sitcom has an international feel.
To me, it's like the first of its sort, you know? It has an international feel. The set is amazing. Like, it doesn't look local. The only thing you probably take to identify is, okay, they're local actors though, but everything else really takes you to another place, which I love. And it just highlights a different side of Jamaica, which is the better side of Jamaica.
State Minister within the Ministry of Entertainment, Orlando Terrelong, noted that Bigger Boss is the type of wholesome entertainment needed in the local media landscape.
We're talking about wholesome family entertainment. And for many years, you know, as a child growing up in Jamaica, we used to watch The Cosby Show. And we know what The Cosby Show meant to so many families. And a lot of persons have said over many years, why don't we have this nice Jamaican family sitcom that we can all sit down and coalesce as a family and just have like good old family time in a nice Bigger Boss living room like this where the chairs are comfortable and we can sit down and we can just talk about family discussions.
The production company Ellis International, which also gave us hit sketch comedy series The IT and Fancy Cat Show, went all out for the production of Bigger Boss, giving it the international treatment by tapping big Hollywood names to help bring the series to life. TV director Bentley Evans is known for being the co-creator of The Jamie Foxx Show, while Keith L. Smith, the series director of photography, is credited for his work on the blockbuster film A Few Good Men. The new Jamaican sitcom Bigger Boss airs exclusively right here on TVJ starting this Sunday, 9 o'clock. Be sure to watch. Founding member of NDTC recognized at Remembering Rex. During last night's celebration of the life and legacy of iconic dancer and co-founder of the National Dance Theatre Company, Professor Rex Nettleford, Executive Director of the Rex Nettleford Foundation, Elizabeth Buchanan Hines, also made a tribute to founding member and former Dean of NDTC, Barbara Requa. Barbara Requa expressed her gratitude for the award.
I deeply appreciate the tribute given to me this evening by the Rex Nettleford Foundation, particularly since it is associated with the remembrance and recognition of someone who has been my mentor and friend for more than 60 years. As a mentor, he was wind beneath my wings since we met at the Baxter School of Dance in 1952.
The Rex Nettleford Foundation also continued its mission of assisting talented students by awarding Brittany Miller with the Rex Nettleford Hall Award. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.